So in this video, we will learn how to create tasks in Microsoft To Do for Pipedrive deals. So in this automation, in this video, we will be discussing whenever a new deal will be created in Pipedrive, automatically a new task will be created in Microsoft To Do regarding that same deal details. Now the trigger application in this automation will be Pipedrive and the action will be Microsoft To Do. And we are going to connect both of these applications. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So first of all, we will go to a browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign to my own Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here just click on access now below Pabbly Connect. After clicking on Access Now, here you will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Pipedrive to Microsoft To Do. Microsoft To Do. And then just click on Create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to get the details or the data of new deals which we are creating in our Pipedrive account in Pabbly Connect. So we have to connect Pipedrive with Pabbly Connect. After that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send the details of that new deal to Microsoft To Do so that we can create a new task over there automatically using this automation. Now to begin with, here in trigger window, in choose app, we have to search for Pipedrive first. Let's select Pipedrive. And after that, in trigger event from the drop down, we have to select new deal because we want to get the details of a new deal from Pipedrive. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Pipedrive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we require the API token of our Pipedrive account. Now here you must be thinking how we are going to get this API token. Now to get it, you can refer to the help text given below over here. So to get the API token, just go to your Pipedrive account and on the right side, you can see this profile picture option over here. Just click on it and from the drop down, click on personal preferences. Now as we click on personal preferences, here we have three options: account, your company and API. Just select API from here. And now you can see the API token of your Pipedrive account. Just copy this API token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in this connection window and click on save. And now we can see that our Pipedrive account got connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, it is asking this company domain. Now to get the company domain of your Pipedrive account, just go to your Pipedrive account once again and here in the URL section, you can see the company domain. So after https:// and before .pipedrive, here Pabbly3 is the company domain of my Pabbly Connect account, my Pipedrive account. So here in the URL section, in this place of subdomain, you will find the company domain of your own Pipedrive account. Just copy this company domain from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after that, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it has now changed to waiting for response, which means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some details, some response from Pipedrive of a new deal. Now what we have to do? We have to basically create a new deal, a test deal, a dummy deal in our Pipedrive account. So let's do it. We'll go to Pipedrive, we'll go to New Deals section, and here we are going to make a new deal. Let's click on Deal button over here. After that, it is asking us the name of the person, the contact person. For example, I'll give it this name as Test Dummy. So this is the name of the person. Then let's add the organization. For example, Pabbly, this is the organization. Let's add the name of the deal as Pabbly Deal. Then the value of the deal is, for example, 999 Indian rupees. Then it is this deal stage is in pipeline and the stage is qualified. Expected close date is, for example, 29th of August. Let's add the phone number. So a dummy phone number of a dummy user and the email address. So let's enter the email address as well. So this is the dummy email address of the person. Okay, so it is showing a repetitive number. So let me just change it a little bit. Admin 10123. Okay, so this is the dummy email address. So all of these details are our dummy users for a test deal. After entering these details, just click on save. And now we can see that a new deal has been created in our Pipedrive account. And because we have connected our Pipedrive account with Pabbly Connect, we will see that the details of the same deal which we have created just now, the dummy deal which we have created just now, few seconds ago in Pipedrive, the details of same deal will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So here in trigger window response and Pabbly Connect workflow, we can see some response. And in this response, when we will scroll down, we will find that this is the response of the same deal which we have created. So we will scroll down and we will find that we have the name of the person, the contact person, which we have entered in the deal, test dummy. Then we will scroll down and we will find some other details like we have the value of the deal, the amount of the deal. Then we have the title of the deal, Pabbly deal, which we have given. Then we will scroll down and we will find some other details. For example, the email address and contact number of the person. So this is the name of the person, this is the email address of the contact person, and this is the mobile number. So in this way, guys, we can see that all the details of the new deal which we have created in Pipedrive are now captured in Pabbly Connect. After getting all of these details, what we want to create a new task in Microsoft To Do. Now to do so, we will just scroll down in our workflow and in the action step below, in choose app, we will search for Microsoft To Do. Microsoft To Do it is. And after that, in action event from the drop down, we have to select create task because we want to create a task over there. Just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, in this action window, we have to connect our Microsoft To Do account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on connect with Microsoft To Do. And because guys, I have already logged into my Microsoft To Do account in my browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. And here in the new window, it is asking us for the authorization permission. Just click on yes, and then we will see that our Microsoft To Do account gets connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the task list. So in my Microsoft To Do account, I have created two lists till now. The name of the first list is task and the second list is Pabbly Connect. Let me show you. So this is the task list of my Microsoft To Do account and this is the Pabbly Connect list of task. After that, out of all the lists, so all the lists which you have created in your Microsoft To Do account will be seen in the drop down below. And you have to select that out of all of these lists, in which list we want to create the task. So I want to create the task in this list named as Pabbly Connect. So I will select the list. Then it is asking us task title, that the task which we are going to create, what is the title of the task? So basically we have received the title of the deal. And I want that whatever the title of the deal will be, by that name a new task should be created. So we have the title of the deal over here. This is Pabbly deal, this is the title. So from the Pipedrive responses, we have to basically map or send this name of the deal, the title of the deal over here in this task title button. Now, how we are going to do so? We are going to use a technique named as mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of task title and in the drop down below, you can see all the responses which we have received from Pipedrive of a new deal can be seen over here. And out of all of these responses, select the response for the title of the deal. So we will just scroll down in these responses till we find the response. So where is the response of the title? Let me see. Okay, so this is the title of the deal. Deal title, just select it and map it. So by the name or by the title of the deal, whatever title we will be giving to the deal in Pipedrive, by that name, a new task will be created in Microsoft To Do. After the title, it is asking us task note. So the note, as a note, I want to add the details of the contact person. So the details of the contact person are, so I want the note to be details. Name. So first we want to add the name of the contact person. So we have received the name of the contact person as well in Pabbly Connect from Pipedrive. So we have to basically map the same name over here in this field of task node. So in task node, we will be adding the details of the deal as well. So here in print of name, just click on this, and in the drop down below, from the drop down below, we just have to search for the name of the person. And this is the name of the person. Just select it and map it. After that, let's enter the mobile number of this contact person, mobile number. And from the Pipedrive responses, we will just search for the response of phone number. So this is the response of phone numbers. Just select it and map it. After that, we want to add the email address. So let's map the email address. Let's search for the response of email. So this is the email address of the contact person. This is the email address. Then we will want to add the deal value. So the deal value should be, let me see. So this is the value of the deal. So just select it and map it. So in this way, guys, basically all the details which we have received from Pipedrive of new deal, you can use this technique of mapping to send that same data to Microsoft To Do. So we have mapped all the required details. After mapping the task node, basically I have added these 4 details. If you want, you can add some other details as well according to your choice. After creating the node, it is asking us for the category. So in the drop down, you can see all the categories which you have created in Microsoft To Do can be seen over here. So I want the category of this task should be yellow category. So I will just select yellow. So it's just a random category I'm selecting in this video. Then the task priority should be not be low, it should be normal. Then the task status is not started. So basically the task status is in progress because we have created the deal. So I want that every task should be created, which will be created, should be in progress. The status should be in progress. Then it is asking us due time zone, reminder date, and other details of as well. So basically all of these fields, all of these details are not mandatory, are not required. That is why I'm just going to ignore these fields for now. And what we are going to do, we are going to just click on save and send test request. Now, as we click on save and send test request, we will see that we have received some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here in these fields, basically the details of a new deal which we have created in Pipedrive just now are now added, or using these details, a new task is being created in our Microsoft To Do. So let's check. We'll go to Microsoft To Do. And yes, guys, here we can see that just now a new task has been created in our Microsoft To Do list. So we'll just open the task. So the title of the task is Pabbly deal. So name of the deal, the title of the deal which we have created which we have given in Pipedrive is the title of the task. Then we have some other details like the category of the task which we have selected yellow category. The priority is also not is normal, and we also have the details of the task. So we have the details of the contact person. So the name of the person is test name. After that, we have the mobile number of the person. Then also we have the email address and the deal value. So guys, basically it's the same data also the same details. Just a second. Details. So the same details of the new deal which we have created in Pipedrive are now added as a new task in our Microsoft To Do using this automation. Now guys, we can see that the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now after doing this, let's test this automation in real time once. Once again, we'll go to pipeline, and here guys, what we are going to do, we are going to create a new deal. For example, just click on this deal button. The name of the contact person is dummy name. Just a second. Dummy name. Organization is, for example, PabCon. This is the name of the organization. The name of the deal is PabCon deal. The value is, for example, this is the value. The pipeline stage is contact made. Expected date of closing is 30th of August. Just some random details of a person, a random dummy phone number, and a dummy email address. Some random email address of the person. After entering some details of a dummy user and creating a dummy deal, just click on save. And now we will see that this new deal is being created in our Pipedrive account. And because we have created this automation, we will see that instantly, automatically, using the details of this new deal, a new task will be created in our Microsoft To Do. So let's go to Microsoft To Do. And yes, we can see that instantly a new task is created over here. So the name of the task is PabCon deal, means the deal, title of the deal which we have created, which we have mapped over here in this Pabbly Connect automation workflow. Then the details of this deal is basically this is the details. The name of the person is, for example, dummy name. This is the mobile number which we have added. We have this email address, and the deal value is this. The same details which we have added over here while creating the deal. So guys, we have tested this automation once, and this automation is working perfectly fine in real time. Now every time a new deal will be created in our Pipedrive account, using those details of the deal, a new task automatically will be created. Instantly it will be created in our Microsoft To Do. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation once. So guys, to create this automation, we have created a workflow in Pabbly Connect. In this workflow, we have selected Pipedrive as a trigger application, and new deal was our trigger event. After that, we have connected our Pipedrive account with Pabbly Connect, and by creating a test deal, a dummy deal in our Pipedrive account, we have received the details of the new deal as well. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we have sent that same data of new deal to Microsoft To Do so that we can create a new task over there automatically. So not just these applications, guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.